everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with Budget and Plan with Des. I just wanted to make a check-in video for the March 25th through April the 10th budget by paycheck. Of course, we are only budgeting off of $1,362.66. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. And of course, if you're already subscribed, welcome back. Thanks again for tuning in. So let's get started. So when it comes to the rent, of course, we budgeted for $662, and that was the exact amount. For the car payment, which is the exact amount. I don't know why I was going to write a 3 there, but it's $110. For State Farm, they haven't took their payment just yet. For some reason, it always takes them almost a week just to process. But that amount will be the same. For Care Credit, of course, I did pay Care Credit off. And that amount was the same also. And I'm pretty sure you're wondering why my pen keeps lighting up. I got this pen, well, my sister got this pen when she went to New York from the Hershey's factory. So when it comes to Discover, of course, when it comes to Discover, we use Discover to pay for Netflix. And we did pay $10. And typically Netflix would be $9.84, but since I have a pending payment, I just went ahead and paid $10. For health, and that's a medical bill, the minimum payment for that bill is $10 a month. But of course, we've been paying more, but since this whole coronavirus thing has came about, we've just been paying a minimum, so that's $10. For card usage, so that would be any one of my debit cards, it should have been $0, but we've actually only spent $40, well, $41 so far, so I'm just going to add that into the budget. For cash envelopes, the total amount is $285. Right now, when it comes to the cash envelope, we've only spent $220. For sinking funds, we budgeted for $260, but since I went over by $3 in my self-care or personal money, we've actually spent $263.79. Now when it comes to the total, we should be under budget, and the total amount is $1,196.40, which means that we are, and let me just put this here, we're down by $61.21. I've been checking in when it comes to Facebook. I'm in a lot of Facebook groups when it comes to budgeting and other financial things. I've seen where a lot of people say that they had to spend more money when it comes to groceries due to the kids being home. I've also seen other people say that they had to make a schedule, sort of like a school schedule, but using it at home. That way the kids won't eat too many snacks or eat too much food, so they can stay afloat. So if you have your kids home, I would definitely recommend making a schedule. That way they won't just be able to go into the kitchen and eat whenever they please. Well, I do hope you all enjoyed this video. I've also had to cut back on some things as well. When it comes to gas, instead of spending $40 every 2 weeks, I've only managed to do $25. I noticed that the gas prices are lower in some places and higher in others, but I was able to almost fill up for $25, and that should keep me going for about 2 weeks or so. I don't really have anywhere to go since I am working at home, but I still need to be able to have gas in the car, be able to go to the store when needed, be able to go pick up medicine when needed. So I did budget for that amount. We did budget for $200 for groceries instead of $170 or $150 or etc. So we're just trying to get used to adjustments. We haven't budgeted for fast food, but as you can see, if you look over here, I have spent about $16 on fast food so far, but that's okay. So again, I do hope you enjoy this video. I know it's pretty short, but hey, it's totally fine. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Budget and Plan with Des. Have a great day.